Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a good day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, the last 24 hours have been a little shaky as Bitcoin fell under its critical support close to 117,000. There is a little bit of panic selling that's taken over, but the amount of liquidity that's been provided, Bitcoin is definitely holding very strong just above the price of 115,000. Now this bull market which we are in, it's definitely going to be making a recovery, and it's just the beginning considering the fact there's a lot of liquidity that be provided by the US government. Let's just say XRP is about to do bigger things. I mean, if we just talk about this bull market in the last 6 months to 1 year, what's been the talk of the town? Obviously XRP. It's done crazy numbers and there's still so much left in its tank as it's not even caught up to Ethereum's market cap. Now, I always get asked the question, Sky, I love these big tokens, Dogecoin, but can you show me something that's very early and at the same time can make you a lot of money? Well, let me show you this. Now, this is DeXRP. Now, simplest way to put it is this is just a DEX that will be working under the XRP protocol. Now, why is this so interesting? Just to give you an idea, Ethereum has Uniswap, BNB has something like PancakeSwap, but when you talk about a major infrastructure project on XRP, it's a little bit hard to find. While this project which I'm about to show you, this is still in a pre-sale stage, so you know it's very early into it. They've raised just above $5 million, so you can see the potential this still has as compared to, let's say, something bigger like PancakeSwap. If it even makes it to halfway point, which is 500 million, that's 100x from where it is sitting currently. Now, just to give you an idea, this is a very early stage. Now, this is a decentralized exchange powered by the open source XRP ledger. We combine the transactions, ultra low fees, and dual trading modes with smart liquidity routing. So it just means every single, transaction that you put through, it's going to be going through. There wouldn't be, sort of delays, and there wouldn't be any problems that you will face, and you wouldn't even have to give large sum of, when we talk about slippage. Also, they've already gotten just about 7,000 holders, just to give you an idea, and more than 80% of the pre-sale allocation is already sold. The sale is live right now, but you can see that the retail investors, it's going to be easy for them. Professional traders, so on the XRP ledger, majority of the liquidity into meme coins or smaller tokens is going to be provided by this token, as the DEX is going to be very, very big. With fast and efficient algorithm with censorship and advanced crypto ensures superior security. And they've had some big partners. When we talk about the partners, just to give you an idea, Cointelegraph actually covered them with just mentioning they raised about 2.6 million, and ever since you can see that they have grown quite a drastic amount, now sitting at about 5 million. And just to give you an idea, when the token goes live, they will be releasing staking and liquidity pools, but that will be after the token goes live. And when the token goes live, everything that you have purchased, you will be able to claim it and obviously go ahead and stake it for the long time. Now, let's say if you decide to invest $1,000 and the price only makes it to $1, which does not seem too bad, because considering the fact that the listing price is going to be 35 cents and currently we're at 7 cents. So if everything, now this is the worst case scenario, you would still be making a 5x from where we're sitting currently. And the audit has also been done, clearly showing that there's no problem. So if you do decide to invest in it, there's not going to be any problems that you will be facing. And at the same time, they have actually partnered up with C Wallet to bring the seamless XRP native trading to wider audience. And C Wallet, you guys know, is a big partnership that will be definitely going through. Now you can see that it's also been confirmed by C Wallet. At the same time, their Twitter has about 34,000 followers, clearly giving you an idea they have a very established team, and at the same time a very established community that's actually backing this project. And on Telegram they have pretty much similar amount, close to 32,000. Now their tokenomics is sitting at about 12% to marketing, 9% to reserves, 6% to R&D, and 3% to airdrops. And when it comes to staking, it's 10%, with the public sale being 25%, which is live currently. Now, this is their idea in terms of what they want to do in future. Once the public launch is being completed, they want to ensure that they're able to launch fee governance via the LP tokens, and then extend the routing to external DEX to allow for multi-chain in the future. And real-time analyst data or dashboard, dual trading system, and dynamics fee control. So you can see that they are trying to build something into much bigger than just the DEX that you see, those random ones, because this one definitely has a lot of potential to become as big as something like PancakeSwap or even Uniswap. Now if you look at Uniswap, the market cap is sitting at about 6 billion. That gives you a perspective how much this has, considering the fact it's being built on the most active channel right now, which is XRP. Now if you guys do want to check it out, the link will be in the description. You just need to click on it, it will bring you to this website. Just click on buy, and then you guys can just select how much you would like to convert USDT into DEX XRP, connect your wallet, and then you can purchase, and it will be placed inside of your wallet, and then just wait. Your money will keep growing. At the end of the day, this is not financial advice, it's just my personal opinion. These tokens always come with risk, so make sure you guys do only allocate the money that you're willing to lose. Make sure you do your own research, not financial advice. I hope you have a good day, and I'll see you soon.